Good morning, everyone. So today, as scheduled, we are going to discuss evaluation of mutual funds. What are the factors and how we differentiate between different mutual funds? How we identify which fund to select? We have discussed some of this in our previous sessions, previous webinars also. But today we are going to dig a little deeper into the mutual fund universe and try to find the factors which can help us identify a better mutual fund or a better performing mutual fund from the whole universe of different types of mutual funds. So let's dig deeper and let's see what we are going to do today. So we'll have a brief look at the all the selection criteria for mutual funds, and then we start analyzing the mutual fund criteria one by one. We also will also see what types of mutual funds are there and different types of fund objectives, how they affect fund performance and fund evaluation. And then finally, some numbers, uh, or you can say different types of numbers, which will give you an idea what kind of mutual fund you are getting into. And before we start digging, just a disclaimer. If you see or hear any brand mentions in this webinar, it's not a promotion, it's only a coincidence and only to improve the presentation that is there, but it may or may not relate to your situation. So if you want a specific customized solution for your situations, your financial scenario, please contact with your financial advisor or you can drop us an email at the end of this presentation. So the old adage, as we adhere to it, know your enemy and know yourself. So in all our previous sessions, we have been trying to know our goals, basically trying to know ourselves. This is one session where you are trying to know your enemy, or in this case, let's see the external factors like mutual funds, or this this is going to be applicable to everything. So know yourself is knowing your financial goals, your financial situations, your incomes, cash flows. Knowing your enemy would be in financial scenarios, knowing where you are putting your money, where you are investing, which financial products are you using to grow your money, to safeguard your future, and so on and so forth. So today is the session about knowing your enemy or knowing the mutual funds. And as we go forward, so this leadership principle is all about managing risk. And almost every investment is about managing risk. So usually risk management refers to what you call as insurance management also, but insurance is going to manage a different kind of